Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, at the clip, today, Fortnite isn't working, but Crackshot is back in the item shop. Red Nose Ranger was in the item shop, but yeah, it was, and the Red Nose Ranger. So stay tuned because I'm gonna make another video be like today because this is just a little clip. This Fortnite isn't working, so yeah. Subscribe, leave a like, and peace.